What's up, team? Lit, gang, gang, squad, squad. Hey, came up here to the bank to pick up a package from Amazon. Okay, I got my package and everything. Don't know what it is or whatever. I guess somebody sent me something. We'll find out what's what. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm headed over to Sexy Lexi. Yeah! You dig? So let's find out what's in this package. Let's go. Well, all right, people. I found out what was in the mystery pack and everything. Check this out. I forgot that I ordered 2 cases, yes indeed, from Spigen for my Galaxy A50. So enough of me yapping, it's time to start unpacking. Let's go. Now, for those who don't know what the Galaxy A50 is, it's this phone right here. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Look at the colors just reflect off of that boy. A seriously attractive device, but I've been rocking it butt naked, so I went and placed the order. The first case we're gonna look at is this one right here. It's the Spigen liquid crystal for the Galaxy A50. It's form-fitted, ultimate everyday protection, and stable mounting.
That's what she said.
Yes, indeed. So let me go ahead, check out the back of the box and everything. That's pretty much the same old stuff. All right. Thank you, Spigen, for this tab right here. Just pull it. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Okay, inside the box, you got the Spigen literature and everything. You got the lens and screen cleaning wipe and everything, which is a nice touch. Then you got the instructions in case you don't know how to do it correctly and everything. I guess some people need that or whatever, but here's the case itself. Very soft, flexible TPU and everything, kind of rubbery and everything, and it's catching fingerprints a little bit already. Well, let's slap this boy on the phone. I'm finna wipe it off right now. Where's my rag? Here we go. All right, folks. There's a liquid crystal on the A50. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very slim design and everything. Not bulky at all. But look at the way it shows off that beautiful color on this A50. This one right here is pretty lit. I got this for $9.99 on Amazon. The link will be in the description. I'm gonna hook you guys up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As far as the cutouts, got the 3-camera cutout and everything. Spigen always does an excellent job with the cutouts on the cases and everything. As far as the bottom, got your headphone jack right there, thank God. Got the USB-C port right there, and the bottom firing speaker. And the noise canceling mic for the bottom part. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now, as far as the top goes, cutout for the noise canceling mic right there. And as far as the left side of the phone, got some Spigen branding on deck right there. Nice touch, yes, sir, yes, sir. And on the right side with all the buttons, very nice. The volume buttons are very clicky and everything. It works. And the power button is textured and has a ridge to it, so you won't get them mixed up at all. Very, very nice. And more Spigen branding right here. Let me see, come on, focus camera. Focus camera. Well, all right, trust me, it's on there. Well, peeps, once again, this one is called the liquid crystal. Man, check it out. Now, the next case we're about to check out is this one right here. This one right here is the rugged armor for the Galaxy A50. Let's see what the box says. Form-fitted for device, ultimate everyday protection again, and stable mounting. Yes, sir, yes, sir. The color is black and everything. Looks pretty hot. I done bought this before and everything. The back pretty much says the same thing as the front. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So let's get it. Pulling the tab right here. Yep. Reach on in there. Pull that boy out. No literature with this one, huh? Okay, okay. I paid $14.99 for this case right here. And this one right here has been a pretty nice series of cases from all my Samsung phones that I bought from Spigen, even my iPhones and everything. This rugged armor is the truth. Now, inside we have the web pattern and everything for protection to absorb the shock and everything. Then you got something right here. I guess that's some branding or whatever. Spigen branding and logo. Then on the back, you got this faux carbon fiber look, which I always loved about this case and everything.
He ain't lying.
And the matte finish on the back, so there's no fingerprints on deck or anything like that, which is a good look. then more carbon fiber at the bottom. Let's put this boy on real quick. And here's the rugged armor case on the Galaxy A50. Yes, indeed. This is going to be my daily case for this phone for now. Looks hella good.
Damn right.
And I'm loving it, even though it's black. It still has a great cutout to show that beautiful color of that phone. Look at the rainbow hit. Look at the color wave on that boy. Sickening. Perfect camera cutout and perfect bottom cutouts for the headphone jack, USB-C port, and the speaker. Even the noise canceling mic down there gets a perfect cutout. And as far as the top goes, also has a perfect cutout for the noise canceling mic at the top.
Okay.
Take it to the back again. Looks pretty damn good. And peeps, this feels very good in the hands and everything. And as far as the buttons on the right side right here, the volume buttons, man, mad clicky and responsive. And a power button as well. Yes, sir, yes, sir. To the left side of the case, it's bare, minimalistic looking, but that's all right. This case right here is pretty damn lit. And it's $14.99. I will have the link for this one also below. Y'all know I got you. And shout out to Spigen. Man, I have my unboxing knife on deck, just in case I had to cut open the box and everything, but mad salute to the pull tabs on your packaging and everything. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole madness and swag of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because I appreciate that too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Boy, hot saucery on deck. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Be easy.